aim to support, empower, and connect students by providing them access and opportunities to advance their career choices, action success, and achieve their goals. We have a positive and multicultural approach that hones interpersonal skills for individuals to be future leaders and have passionate personalities. Welcome to the Outreach Mentor.
Hey everyone, I go about the name Aryan Margo. I am a high school senior as well as a social entrepreneur. It's an honor for me to be on this amazing YouTube channel, The Outreach Mentor. Thank you so much for having me here and giving me this opportunity. I define myself as an unsatisfied dreamer who dreams to reach out to each and every student present on this earth, on this planet Earth, and make them understand the importance of self-awareness and introspection. Even if they don't involve with us, but at least they should be familiar with these terms. I remember starting my Optiverse journey in August 2020 with my whiteboard and shared this idea with a couple of people, but unfortunately, no one showed up. And now we are a team of 100 plus student volunteers, student members, all across the globe. Optiverse has changed me as a person. Along with becoming more productive and organized, I started living a more meaningful life, filled with optimistic outlooks. This whole process helped me reflect and gain some much needed insight, I would say. Coming back to Optiverse, earlier, our goal was to complete 500 hours in 2021. Then it increased to 1000 and then to 2000. And now I don't believe in goals because I think it will restrict our organization to think beyond it. We work with students as they are going to be tomorrow's leaders. So without further delay, I would like to enjoy the Optiverse official trailer and dive deep into an optimistic world. Sometimes, this ever-evolving world throws situations at us which compels us to pause, reflect, and reconsider our goals. During this process, we not only redefine our purpose of existence, but also prepare ourselves to fight the situation. All this sounds manageable from an adult's perspective, but have you imagined how hard it can be for a child?
75 members of the Stanford Graduate School of Business Advisory Council rated self-awareness as the most important capability for leaders to develop.
Not able to identify yourself? Want to find your abilities? Looking for answers? Presenting an optimistic universe, Optiverse, based on Sustainable Development Goal 4. The Optiverse mentorship course ensures self-reflection from an early age. Hi, this is Aryan Margo and this is my Optiverse family. The course includes design thinking, life graphs, identity building, decision making, free writing, self-judgment, and much more. This course is a mix of analysis, creativity, confidence, introspection, and efficiency. At Optiverse, it's you versus you. In July 2020, I came across a boy who was given a task to write a paragraph about himself as an activity. After taking 10 minutes to write, what he actually wrote was shocking. He wrote exactly 4 lines stating the school he goes to, the food he likes, his name, and his age. That's it. There was no mention of his characteristics, his personality traits, his thought process, his strengths, and even goals. After going through that sheet, I asked just one question to myself. Is it that difficult to know your own self? Along with this, I also heard words like depression, socially deprived in my own peer group. This was the time I realized that self-awareness is the need of the hour and we must help the Gen Z to introspect and gain some insight. In August 2020, I founded Optiverse, a free online platform developed by students for students completely, helping them to have a better perspective of their actual skills, strengths, and talents. We offer 6 sessions of 45 to 60 minutes each on self-awareness, decision-making, self-judgment, design thinking, life graphs, gratitude journals, communication, language strategies, and much more. Till now, we have completed 800 hours of mentoring in 12 plus countries with the help of our 75 plus student members all across the globe.
Hi, my name is Shivangi, and I finished the Optiverse mentorship course not too long ago, and I would say that my experience was really positive. I think the course really provides you a platform where you can voice your opinions and actually think out of the box. There were a lot of activities and questions which were to be done with your mentor, and I feel like those were really fun to do, and it really helped me to have a clear perspective about what my strengths were, what my personality traits were. I really liked it. I felt really energized and really happy to be talking with my mentor and having conversations which I never really had in my day-to-day lives. Thank you.
Optiverse has one core objective: enabling free, accessible, and essential personality development to all. At Optiverse, we strive to make young students aware of their personalities and imbibe in them the skills of self-reflection, expression, and identity building. Optiverse works with students as they are inevitably responsible for the future of this world. We find it imperative to work with these young sharp minds if sustainable solutions are to be achieved, which can happen only if they know themselves well.
International student attending the University of Arizona, I can safely say that self-awareness as a skill has played a major role in the success of both my academics and my extracurricular activities. In fact, renowned establishments such as the Stanford Graduate School of Business have found evidence that self-awareness is one of the most important tools in developing leadership skills. That being said, traveling across the world all by myself has taken self-awareness amongst other skills, and having gone through these experiences, I believe that developing the skill is not an overnight process. In fact, it is one that takes support and is quite challenging. Therefore, I commend the work that Optiverse is doing, as they are teaching students a very vital skill and one that is not taught by our educational system.
Increasing self-awareness of an individual and building personalities by identification of one's strengths and skills are 2 pivotal areas of a mentorship course. The aforementioned dual objectives help students in gaining clarity about their thought processes and help them in recognizing their unique strengths and abilities. Our course mainly focuses on the 4th sustainable development goal, which is quality education. It entails equitable quality education of promoting lifelong learning opportunities.
Hello everyone, I'm Joanna, I'm 19 years old and I'm a college freshman. I have been working at Optiverse as an intern, being able to mentor many different students from all over the world. I had the pleasure to work with middle schoolers, high schoolers, and college students, which is so cool, being able to meet all these different people. While doing this internship, I have helped them to discover themselves, because you probably know we are living a really hard situation, and I know many students that don't even know anything about themselves or what they are capable to do. And what I love about Optiverse is that everyone is going to be able to discover new things about themselves, and at the same time you're able to meet new people. This is why I love Optiverse, and I'm so thankful I had this opportunity to work with this wonderful team.
We work to build such personalities of individuals who are globally aware, responsible citizens working towards finding sustainable solutions rather than spending other time on their problems. Our system of branching out and networking aids in reaching numerous ambitious students. We have engaged in geographical expansions to reach myriads of students from all over the globe and make Optiverse an internationally recognized platform. Mentors who are working with us are expressive and vivid on their thoughts and beliefs, which makes it possible for them to foster this in their mentees as well. Our paramount goal is to make an essential yet much ignored aspect of education, personality development, and self-awareness accessible. We try to achieve all these while sticking to our core of discovering yourself and disseminating this discovery to multitude of students. Let me give you a sneak peek of the course we offer and the kind of activities we have for you. Here, you will have to think about your strengths and struggles and characterize them in the given areas. Then we have certain questions for you. These are less of just questions and more of conversation happening between you and your mentor. In these sessions, we focus on discussions heavily and not just writing. For example, you and your mentor will be talking about your dreams and aspirations, maybe a certain kind of hobby you want to build or a skill you want to learn. Then you will be talking about how you have used some of your strengths in the past and also about your idols or simply people you admire or respect. What are some of the common personality traits that you both have and much more. We also focus on improving your language strategies, and by this I mean working on your speaking and writing skills by making you understand some of the useful strategies which worked for our team. We also are going to teach you an exceptional decision making technique where you will be considering the various factors involved and we will help you spot them. So, this is our website. You will land on the homepage when you search www.optiverse.cc. Then while scrolling down, you will see this Join Our Discord. And by clicking this, you will be a part of a mission to create an optimistic community of students. Other than this, you will see our organization's statistics and 2 other buttons. Join us and take the course. This course is for students 10 to 18. So if you lie in this bracket and you want to be a part of Optiverse as a mentee, you can click this Take the Course button and it will direct you to Google form. And after you submit the form, a mentor will be assigned to you and will reach out soon. After mutual agreement on days and time, the course will surely begin. Along with the mentoring we offer, we also organize internships every month. So if you would not like to commit to us for a very long time, apply as an intern and gain experience of working in this non-profit. We also keep collaborating with different NGOs, organizations, schools and trusts to reach out to more diverse sections of the society and keep workshops with them. Along with this, we have the Optiverse Graduation Day and Optiverse Party Meets on a regular basis to increase the culture in the organization. On Instagram, when you search at optiverse.go, you will find this page and we keep posting useful articles, different book suggestions, opportunities for you, quotes filled with optimism and even several ways to self-reflect. So, if you want to connect with us, join us on our Instagram page. Recently, Optiverse has also won an award on a pan-India level by the Indian Achievers Forum.